So here's my little trailer box. A lot of times when I'm working on a boat trailer, I need to be able to run the lights. So I put together a box here so I can turn on the running lights and test each circuit as necessary. So I have here, those are my running lights. Then this would be my brake lights. And I've got a turn signal built in with a flasher for both left and right sides. And then I have a charge port here so I can hook it up to one of my charging circuits. And inside my little box is an AGM battery, a fuse block, so if I have a short in the trailer, it'll pop the fuse. You have to get a Hopkins taillight converter so you can put each individual circuit through a fuse and then into the system. And then I've got everything individually wired down there. And it's pretty simple. But it certainly helps when you're having to work on a trailer and you don't want to have to hook up a truck to it just to find out which lights are working and which ones are not. I'm getting ready to have to redo all the lights on that trailer, and quite a few on this Donzi as well. But at a little box, you can get this at O'Reilly's. Pretty much bought everything at O'Reilly's, and came out doing what it needs to do. Have a great day.